Good day and welcome to your financial booklet market update. It is Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. I'm your host, and today we are tracking significant volatility in the cryptocurrency markets, new inflation data influencing the Federal Reserve, and developing stories in global trade and technology. Let's get straight to the facts. We begin with digital assets, where Bitcoin has seen substantial price action. In related infrastructure news, Visa has announced a partnership with BVNK to launch stablecoin payouts, continuing the integration of blockchain technology into traditional payment rails. Meanwhile, Kraken has backed a SPAC filing for a U.S. crypto infrastructure IPO, signaling continued movement toward public listings in the sector. However, not all digital asset news is regulatory-free. In Nigeria, authorities are now using tax IDs to trace crypto activity without direct on-chain monitoring. Turning to the broader economy and policy, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, has steadied, a factor closely watched by the Federal Reserve. Speaking of the central bank, global central banks have publicly expressed support for Chair Jerome Powell, warning that political pressure on the Fed could destabilize markets. On the state level, a contentious fiscal battle is unfolding in California. A proposed Billionaires Tax has ignited a political conflict, pitting labor unions and voters against wealthy technology executives. In banking regulation, the Federal Reserve Board has requested public input regarding payment accounts for clearing and settling payments. Additionally, reports show that involuntary bank account closures remain an issue for consumers, often occurring with little warning. Moving to international markets and commodities, crude oil prices are facing conflicting pressures. Prices edged lower following reports that Venezuelan exports have resumed, increasing supply. However, underlying geopolitical risks continue to provide support for crude valuations. In Europe, economic data from 2025 reveals that Germany saw bankruptcies hit a 20-year high. In the Middle East, reports have surfaced that the Egyptian army is holding billions in undisclosed cash at the same time the country missed a sovereign debt deadline. Finally, in the technology and corporate sector, Hyundai and Boston Dynamics are advancing their development of humanoid robots. In the legal arena, Google is seeking the dismissal of a lawsuit filed by publishers regarding its AI search summaries. Market movers today also included Resolve AI, which saw its stock plummet, while Strategy, ticker MSTR, jumped 8% alongside the rally in Bitcoin prices. That wraps up your financial booklet update for Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. We will continue to monitor these developing stories and bring you the facts as they emerge. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next report.